Introducing the NOYAFA NF-524 thermal imaging camera, available now on AliExpress. This handheld infrared imager is designed for professionals who need fast and accurate thermal detection for water pipe leaks, electrical inspections, and industrial maintenance. With a resolution of 120 by 90 pixels and up to 19,200 temperature measuring points, it delivers clear thermal images for precise analysis. The NF-524 supports cold and hot spot tracking, temperature alerts, and 8 color palettes for better visualization. Equipped with an assistive laser indicator, it ensures quick and accurate measurements. The device also supports photo and video recording, making it easy to document inspections. Thanks to the built-in 8 GB memory card, you can store over 10,000 images and transfer data conveniently via USB or Type-C connection. The NF-524 features a full-color display, intuitive controls, and multiple image modes for enhanced usability. It is perfect for applications such as electrical equipment testing, underfloor heating inspection, automotive diagnostics, and HVAC systems. Compact, durable, and easy to use, this thermal imager combines advanced functionality with portability. If you need a reliable solution for detecting leaks, tracing electrical faults, or performing building inspections, the NOYAFA NF-524 from AliExpress is the ideal choice. Order yours today and experience professional-grade thermal imaging at your fingertips.